y'all, welcome back to the Icona Lashes YouTube channel. My name is Annalisa Moreno, the beauty stylist for all things Icona Lashes. If you're new, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm so excited you guys are here with me yet again. Today's video is going to be a lot of fun. With Mother's Day right around the corner, we want to dedicate this video to all our loving mothers out there. Moms are legit superheroes, y'all. They're super selfless, always putting the needs of their children and others first, all the while never really spending enough time for themselves. With that, we have a very special guest today with us for this mommy makeover, my very own sister, Karina Brown. My sister is an awesome mom to a little boy who's 1.5, almost hitting those terrible 2s. Y'all, he put dog food in his mouth the other day. Of course we stopped him, but you can imagine. Anywho, today we're gonna get Karina ready for her Mother's Day date night with her hubby, so this is something you're gonna want to stick around for. Okay, y'all, so we're gonna dive into this mommy makeover. Karina and her husband are going to go to dinner.
Yeah, we're going Del Frisco's Grill or
Fancy.
Double Eagle Steakhouse.
So we're gonna get her ready for dinner with her husband. She's gonna wear a floral dress, so I'm thinking we can do like a natural brown, bronzy eye look on her.
My favorite.
Yeah, her favorite. So let's dive in. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna start out with eyebrows. I'm gonna just give her eyebrows some color and some shape. Now we're gonna prime those eyes. Alright, y'all, so for eyeshadow, I'm gonna go with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. Again, we're going for a warm, bronzy look. I am going in with the colors Sienna and Rustic to define the crease just a little bit more. Here I'm going in with the MAC Paint Pot just to lighten the center of her eyelids. You want to make sure to blend out the crease so that there are no hard lines. I am just adding a white shimmer to accentuate under her brow bone. Now for some concealer. On to foundation. I love using a little sponge to apply liquid foundation. I think it really adds a smooth finish. Now for a little highlight and contour. We are going to wing Karina's eyeliner just a little bit, nothing too dramatic. It's eyelash time. Karina's going to be sporting our Love Story lashes. Karina is a little picky on her lipstick, so I had her apply that herself. Okay, y'all, so my sister went from this to this. Okay, so how do you feel?
I feel like a different person.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Doesn't she look great, y'all? The eyelashes. So she's actually wearing our Love Story lashes, and I think they really complement her eyes because she has like big eyes and they're just perfect for it.
I love them. They feel comfortable. I never thought that wearing big eyelashes would be so easy and like they pretty much blend in.
They really do. Okay, so we did go with a natural like bronze brown look. I did add some shimmer in there to kind of make it pop. It's great for a nighttime look. Not too much, but just enough for this evening.
Yay.
So before we go, I just kind of want to shine some light on how awesome of a mom she is. She literally takes care of her entire family and her little boy, and I know it's a lot. We're gonna have a little chit chat and kind of find out like what it's like to be a mom. Like, what do you find the most challenging?
The most challenging thing is like every day you don't know what's gonna happen.
I can imagine.
Your toddler could be almost eating dog food or hiding in the coat closet.
He does that. He likes to get in the closet and like stay in there.
And so yesterday when I kept telling him, don't go in there, don't go in there, he got locked in and he started screaming. So I had to go get him, and it wasn't even really locked, but
he just didn't know how to get out.
He got scared because it was dark in there.
Poor baby, poor baby. Well, I can only imagine the challenges.
Yeah, it's like 24/7 job, watching, worrying what he's doing, if he's sleeping, or what's going on. Yeah.
But I'm sure it's very rewarding. I also want to know, like, what's your favorite thing about Cole? I know my favorite things about my little baby, but what is your favorite thing about your son?
My favorite thing is when I ask him to give me a hug. He comes in and he cuddles with me, gives me a hug. I know that's not going to last long, and so I'm taking advantage of it now, because when he's older, he's going to be like, Mom,
get away, Mom.
Get away from me.
Get away.
Yeah. So I love that. He's just so sweet, and he'll come and he'll give me a hug, and he's also good at giving hugs to the dogs.
Aww.
He loves his Dirk and Cooper dog.
He calls the dogs Taco. Yeah, it's interesting. It's very interesting. But anywho, are you excited for tonight? Like,
yes.
How often do you get to go have date night with your husband?
It's rare, maybe once a month, but even then, I don't know. I can't remember the last time I went out. That's kind of bad. So I'm really looking forward to tonight. We're gonna go have a nice steak dinner.
Yay! And she looks awesome, and we're so glad you were on here with us today.
Thank you. I really loved the makeup that you did. And I love these eyelashes, y'all. I'm gonna be telling people about these eyelashes because they are so awesome.
Yeah, and she's wearing the Love Story, which is just, again, super universal. You can dress them up, dress them down, glam them up, glam them down. Whatever you prefer. Anywho, y'all, I hope you loved having Karina here today with us. I'm so excited we got to give her a cool mommy makeover for her date tonight, her pre-Mother's Day date. But in honor of Mother's Day, I wanted to let you guys know that Icona Lashes is having a Mother's Day sale. Make sure to head over to the site and snag some beautiful Icona Lashes. Also, be sure to use the code Annalisa10 for an additional 10% off. Who doesn't love saving money, honey? The sale ends May 13th. I will be sure to list all the sale details in the description box down below. You all know the drill. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time.